Welcome back to the how-to channel, my favorite channel of all, and we're showing you today how to use a powerful AI. You've heard of Chatgpt, of course, everyone has. Now, how do you make money with this? So guys, simply ask the AI. Everyone's been asking me, what do you think I do? I just type this in. How can you make money using Chatgpt? Well, guess what? It has the answers to everything, so of course it has the answers to this. It's going to now type out for me in less than 30 seconds exactly how we can make money using Chatgpt. Now, you can tailor this to your own niche, or you can just ask it a generic, how can I just make money some online? But what I would ask you to do is whatever profile you want to go down, whatever niche you like, say it's nails, fashion and beauty, contract writing, being a lawyer, just ask it at the end of this sentence how you would do it tailored to that niche. Okay, you can actually expand the AI on anything. It's an AI. So for example, I've just asked it how to make money with ChatGPT. Now guys, I don't want to stop there. Okay, everyone will type this in after seeing this video. So I want to ask it a little bit more. Give me 2 more ideas. And it will. You could do this, give me 100 more ideas. And guess what? It will. You can also say, give me 2 more ideas, but include something to do with soccer. Okay, super easy, guys. Like and follow for more how-to videos on how to make money and how to use this new AI.